Hi guys, so I'm here today to address some of these acne scars that I have. I've done my research with a lot of doctors, dermatologists. Dr. Emer is the only one that I've seen that really gets it, a beautiful touch finish. I found them through YouTube. I'm gonna get the CO2 with the halo and TCA cross.
Alright guys, we're doing TCA right now because she has a lot of ice pick scars, and that's really where the majority of her issue is. You guys can see these little deep small porous scars. Turn left. I'm going to go back a look. You can see them starting to form. And her skin, she does really good. I just don't want her to get too shaky. It's the chemical on the face.
Like my body too. Is that normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. Now we're going to start the CO2 laser resurfacing. And this is going to resurface some of the much deeper level of scars. Doing a slight overlap because she has some pretty deep ones. Okay, one more row. You can see we did the deeper scarring part. Now we're going to do the microneedling. We're going to cover her face with hyaluronic acid. So typically we use Hyla B from Emer Skin. We're now using the Eclipse micro pen. So where she has the deepest scars, we're going to do some of these pinpoint bleeding. You guys can see. This is going to help the PRP and the Emer Skin Hyla B get into the skin. Other than the PRP, you guys can see the growth factors, the clear, yellowish clear liquid. Right, one more pass here. Good. Everything's good on the forehead. Getting that PRP into the skin. CO2 spot with microneedling PRP to help her healing. We can do a little testimonial with her. We'll follow her over the next few weeks. Again, it's going to be a building process, but I really think with this strong treatment, she's going to have big results. So stay tuned.
I know I look crazy, but girl survived. 2022, so self-care year, and it's worth it.
So this is the morning after. I went ahead and whitewashed my face with the foaming polish from the Emer Skin Cosmetic line. It's not hurting, it's not burning anymore, but I'm really excited to see the results. I'm excited that, you know, I did this here in the winter, because by the summertime, baby, we are gonna be snatched.